Before you skip this video, let me ask you one question. Have you ever promised yourself, from tomorrow I will study English seriously, but after just 2 or 3 days, you stopped again? If that keeps happening, the problem is not your English. The problem is your focus. And the good news is this: focus is a skill. You can build it. In today's video, I'll share 7 simple habits that will help you stay focused, practice consistently, and improve your English much faster. So stay with me until the end, because the last lesson might completely change the way you learn English. Lesson 1. Know your reason. Every successful English learner has one thing in common. They know exactly why they are learning English. Ask yourself, why do I want to speak English? Is it for a better job, higher studies, travel, better communication, or to build confidence? When your reason is strong, excuses become weak. Whenever you feel lazy, remember your dream. Your dream is stronger than today's mood. Lesson 2. Forget perfection. Many learners waste months waiting for perfect grammar before speaking. That is a big mistake. Nobody speaks perfectly in the beginning. Children don't learn by being perfect. They learn by making mistakes. You should do the same. Every mistake teaches your brain something new. So don't chase perfection. Chase progress, because progress creates confidence. Lesson 3. Make English part of your day. Don't keep English inside your notebook. Bring it into your daily life. Think in English while brushing your teeth. Describe your breakfast in English. Read English captions. Watch short English videos. Listen to podcasts while walking. The more English becomes part of your routine, the easier it becomes to stay focused. Remember, fluency grows through daily exposure, not occasional study. Quick reminder: if you're still watching, you're already doing something many people don't do. You're investing in yourself. Keep going. Lesson 4. Protect your focus. Let's be honest, your biggest distraction is probably your phone. One notification becomes 10 minutes. 10 minutes become 1 hour. Before studying, put your phone away. Find a quiet place. Take a deep breath. And give English your full attention for just 25 minutes. Those 25 focused minutes are more valuable than 2 distracted hours. Lesson 5. Speak every day. Reading is important. Listening is important. But speaking changes everything. Open your mouth. Read sentences aloud. Talk to yourself. Repeat after native speakers. Record your voice. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. And confidence is built through action, not waiting. Think about this. Imagine where your English will be 6 months from now if you practice every single day. Now imagine where it will be if you keep postponing it. The choice is yours. Lesson 6. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison steals motivation. Someone else's fluency is not proof that you're failing. It is proof that improvement is possible. Focus on becoming better than yesterday. Learn one new word. Speak one better sentence. Understand one more conversation. Small improvements create big success. Lesson 7. Never break the chain. Some days you'll feel excited. Some days you'll feel tired. Practice anyway. Even 10 minutes is enough. Read one page. Learn 5 words. Speak for 5 minutes. Never let one missed day become one missed week. Small daily efforts always win. Conclusion. Remember, English is not a talent. It is a habit. The learners who become fluent are not always the smartest. They are the most consistent. So stop waiting for the perfect day. Start today. Practice today. Improve today. Your future self will thank you for the effort you make now. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning and motivational videos. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next video.